Hello students, good morning. I am a teacher present here to discuss our new prose Curly and Three Bears. As in online class, we have discussed the theme of our chapter and read the chapter loudly today. Now we are going to make a video on the introduction of this chapter. Curly and Three Bears. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Curly Locks. One day she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Curly went in. She wanted to see who lived there. So there was a girl named Curly Locks because her hair was so curly. So she wanted to visit the forest near her house. So she went into the forest one day and she saw a cottage in the forest. And she asked, is there anybody else or is anybody in? But there was no reply. So she went into the cottage to see who lives there. Okay, so here there are two difficult words for you. The first one is curly. कर्ली जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं घुंघरेला. ओके, कर्ली हेयर. सेंटेंस इज सीता हैज कर्ली हेयर. ओके, रामा हैज कर्ली हेयर. Okay, and there was another difficult word. There is another difficult word, namely cottage. We studied in class 1 is that there are two types of house, pakka house and kacha house. So cottage is one type of कच्चा हाउस, जिसको हम हिंदी में झोपड़ी बोलते हैं. उसी को कॉटेज बोला जाता है या फिर हम लोग इसको कच्चा हाउस भी बोल सकते हैं. Cornelius went in. She wanted to see who lived there. Okay. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. वो टेबल के ऊपर 3 बाउल्स देखी जिसमें पोरीज था. या फिर शी सॉ 3 बाउल्स ऑफ पोरीज ऑन द टेबल. देयर वॉज ए बिग बाउल फॉर पापा बियर. पापा बियर के लिए एक बड़ा सा बाउल था. एंड ए मिडिल साइज बाउल फॉर मामा बियर. मामा बियर के लिए एक मिडिल साइज बाउल था. एंड ए टीनी लिटिल बाउल फॉर बेबी बियर. और बेबी बियर के लिए एक छोटा सा बाउल था. कर्लीलक्स वॉज हंग्री. सी एट द पोरीज फ्रॉम द बिग बाउल. सी एट द पोरीज फ्रॉम बिग बाउल. इट वॉज वेरी हॉट. सी एट फ्रॉम द मिडिल साइज बाउल. It was too cold. She ate from the teeny little bowl. It was just right. Curlylocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a teeny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft, but the teeny little bed was just right. Cornelius fell asleep in the teeny little bed. The bear family came back. So here what happens? Cornelius ate all the porridge from the 3 bowls. The big bowl, middle bowl and small bowl. And she found hot porridge in big bowl, cold porridge in middle bowl, and balanced porridge and small bowl. Then she went into the bedroom and she also found 3 beds there. A big bed, a middle-sized bed, and a small bed. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was very soft. And the last bed or the teeny little bed was balanced bed. So Coriolanus fell asleep on the little bed. वो सबसे छोटा जो था बिस्तर उस पर सो गई। उसके बाद क्या हुआ ना, बियर फैमिली आई। Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge. मतलब कोई मेरा खिचड़ी खा गया। Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Mama Bear said very politely और very softly, बहुत धीरे बोली कि मेरा भी कोई खिचड़ी खा गई। Somebody finished all my porridge, said baby bear in his teeny little voice. छोटे बच्चे जैसे बोलते हैं वैसे वो बोला। Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Somebody sleeping in my bed, said baby bear in his teeny little voice. So Curlylux woke up after listening all these sentences from, or all these words from the bear family, and when she saw the bear family, she jumped down from the bed and ran out to his house as fast as she could. Okay, वो बेड से नीचे उतरी और जोर से दौड़ने लगी अपने घर की तरफ, जितना जोर से वो दौड़ सकती है। सो ये था हमारा चैप्टर का जिस्ट, और दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर चैप्टर। सो आवर मेन कैरेक्टर इज कर्लीलक्स एंड देयर वर 3 अदर कैरेक्टर्स, द पापा बियर, मामा बियर एंड द बेबी बियर. So here are 5 difficult words for you. Curly. Curly means Sita has curly hair, Rama has curly hair. घुंघरेला बाल जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Cottage. Cottage is one type of कच्चा house. So a saint lived in that cottage. एक साधु वो कॉटेज में रहते हैं. Bowl. We eat different type of dishes in bowl. हम खाना खाने के लिए या फिर सब्जी खाने के लिए बाउल का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. We eat bowl for eating. Sorry, we use bowl for eating porridge. Porridge means khichdi. Which is one type of food item. And hungry. Hungry means भूखा. I am very hungry. मुझे बहुत जोर से भूख लगी. तो आज के लिए आप लोग चैप्टर्स फिर से पढ़ना, उसका मतलब समझने की कोशिश करना, डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स का मीनिंग लिखना, और मैं अभी जो सेंटेंस व्हाट्सएप में लिख के दूंगा उसको भी आप लोगों को कॉपी में लिखना है. और हाँ, कल ऑनलाइन क्लास में मैं पहले ये 5 वर्ड्स के स्पेलिंग पूछूंगा, ठीक है? फिर हम क्या करेंगे, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे. धन्यवाद.